Welcome to DIY Harbor channel, and it's been quite a long time, probably a year, over a year, below a year. Doesn't really matter that I haven't created a video. And in this video, I have a new laptop that I now have replaced my desktop computer, and now I have time. And this new laptop requires some driver updating. This is what this video is about on the DIY channel. If you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe. If you find this content useful, you can share it, add it to your playlist. If you're a returning viewer, therefore expect much more content from me right now. As a little, I have a little bit of time now. I have this little old style computer, does the job, just have it for uploading videos and so on. Now, if you realize that my webcam, I'm using the default built-in webcam on the computer, you realize that the quality is a little bit kind of old. Just bear in mind that I'll be getting the high quality 4K webcam quite soon for my video recording purposes. Now, first off, I need to find the model of my computer. You can flip the computer over, watch under it, and you will see a label. This label will show you the exact model of computer you have. HP is not your model, HP is your brand. Dell is not your model, Dell is your brand. Acer, Alienware, all this stuff, those are the brands. The model is what follows by it. Now, in order to find that, I'll press my start menu, and this is only for Windows. This video is for Windows users. And here, you can see all my system information. Now we can see what make up the system, but to keep it nice and simple, here you can see system model. The manufacturer is HP. The model is a ProBook 450G4 or G4. And here you can also see all the information that makes up all the hardware mixed up the processing of the computer, such as CPU. You can get RAM, all this kind of stuff. Here you can see RAM, all this kind of stuff. But keep it nice and simple. I know what my computer is now. I had to find out that I need drivers installed. I can hold the Windows button and press R while holding it, or I can just type in device manager right here. If you use the run application tvmg.msc, then press OK. It will bring you exactly to here. I usually use run, but just keep it simple. Now here you can see that I have some controllers, some devices. That's kind of way poor. I can look at my network adapters. All this stuff could be updated. I can see I have the graphics, and my main thing right now is just to look at the time or the year that the graphics were updated. Now this is a pretty decent laptop, though it uses SSD, so that's a great thing about it. It boots up in seconds. But 2022 was the last update to my driver. I'm pretty sure they have an update to it. This is the version. Now, if you play game on your computer and you're trying to build a computer, you need the latest drivers. No matter if you have an aftermarket GPU that goes into your desktop, or if you use a USB Docker to connect it to your laptop, whatever you do, you need the latest drivers for audio, for everything. Now, I know for a fact right now that I have some drivers which need updating. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to type in my brand, then my model, followed by the word drivers. I'll go to the first page. This is the same thing for Dell computer. Acer computers, they all work pretty much the same, and you will see right now exactly what I'm going to tell you is they have an application that you can download off the official website that will actually read all the information on your computer with kind of like an API and send that information to the HP server, receive drivers that you require, and update it for you automatically. So here I can click the detect my software and drivers. I've already downloaded the web product, but if not, by the time you click on that detect my software button, it will ask you to accept it, to download like there, and then you will install it. It will work exactly like that for you. So manually, what I will do, I will go look at my BIOS versions, and here is the version, and then I can go on device manager and compare it, but that's actually too much. One thing, as I said a while ago, I can also check out my graphic driver and look at the versions. Here you can see they have a release for 2023, and the one we saw earlier was 2022. So therefore, they are actually newer versions to my graphics drivers. My graphics drivers are really important. It allows me to do things like change the resolution to a nice smaller resolution, nice cleaner resolution. As you can see, now if you have out these graphic drivers or you don't have a graphic driver, you can just install Windows, let's say from a thumb drive or whatever. You don't even get that driver one time. You have to connect to the internet and it usually automatically installs it. So I'm just waiting. Let's wait while this detects my drivers, and then the continuation of that video, we'll get to it. Okay, so it's finally completed, and it told me that I don't need any software for the moment, but generally I believe that I will just get the graphic driver that I was hoping for. If I go to device manager, I can see my display driver 620. The current driver model is 40.0.101.2111. So this one here is way higher. I'm gonna take on this one. This one probably more stable. This is for NVIDIA. This is for Intel, this is NVIDIA, and this is for DisplayLink. I'm gonna stick on the DisplayLink. So what you can also try to do, here you can just right click and update the driver, search automatically. Usually Windows, they won't really get the driver for you, so you can search Windows Update for it. Let's wait while it loads. On the update, you can see there's really just a Windows Update error, a .framework update here. So I don't think I really need it right now. I will bypass it. For the moment there, these two controllers, PCI controllers and so on, that's really important. This stuff more have to do with additional hardware that you could actually install onto your computer. I'll just leave it there for now, but you will most likely be luckier. I can actually just search for my PCI drivers right here, but I'll just leave it for now. I've already installed my display driver. I'm good to go. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.